Cordial saludo, doctora David Milena Aguirre. Mi nombre es José Neuer Durán Moreno, del grupo 1117. Este es mi ejercicio escrito. My personal information and routine diary. My name is José Neuer. I am 25 years old. I am from Colombia. I am currently live in the city of Acacias Meta. I am a mechanic. I speak Spanish and like fishing. I don't like dancing. I am studying systems engineering at UNAD. These are my activities on a typical day. I get up of bed every day around 6 o'clock, brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I put on appropriate clothes for my work. I eat breakfast and start my workday at 8 o'clock. Then I have lunch around half past 12. I take a break and then I continue with work activities until 15. Then I go to bed and this is how my daily routine ends. On the weekend, I go out to eat ice cream in the park with my wife and enjoy the outdoors, and also sometimes I go fishing in the river where my parents live. My family. I have one son. His name is Santiago Duran. He is 9 years old. He is a student. He is a very intelligent and I love him. I have two brothers, Juan David and Daniel Alonso. Juan David is 17 years old. He is a student and he likes to fight and play video games. Daniel Alonso is 29 years old. He is a motorcycle mechanic and he likes hunting and fishing. My first name is Daniel Duran. He is 47 years old and is a baker. My mother's name is Lucelena. He is 41 years old. He is a brakekeeper. Thank you.